Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings and going to Screen Time. This gives you control over apps. Once there, set a Screen Time passcode if you haven't already, because that prevents accidental re-enabling. Now tap Content and Privacy Restrictions and make sure the toggle is on. This step is essential because it unlocks the controls that let you turn Safari off at the system level. Proceed immediately to the Allowed Apps section to take the first actionable step toward disabling Safari. You'll find Allowed Apps under Content and Privacy Restrictions. Open it and locate Safari in the list. Toggle Safari off. This hides the app and prevents it from launching from the home screen, which is why this method is effective. Once toggled, make sure to press back and exit Settings so changes take effect. To verify, swipe down and use Search. Safari should not appear. If you still see it, double-check that your Screen Time passcode was saved and that you toggled the correct switch. Finish by restarting your device so the restriction fully applies and system cache is clear. Once the phone boots, test by tapping Safari and using Search. It should be inaccessible. If you ever need to re-enable Safari, return to Allowed Apps and use your Screen Time passcode to toggle it back on. This explains why you needed that passcode earlier. If Safari reappears unexpectedly, update iOS and recheck content and privacy settings. That fixes most glitches and prevents unintentional re-enabling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.